Looking around the housing market right now, in June 2026, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate is hovering at a brace 6.53%. The median home price in the United States have climbed past $417,000, and available inventory is sitting on the market of an average of 52 days. If you look at a everyday home buyer trying to secure a house for a national home ownership month, it feels like you are trapped in a corner. You either bid 30,000 over asking for a flawless turnkey home, or you get completely out negotiated by corporate cash investors waiving inspection fee waivers. But what if I told you there's a hidden structure lending loophole that let you bypass the turnkey bidding war entirely? A system where you buy an ugly, outdated home that everyone else is walking away from at a massive discount, and the bank hand you the capital to fully customize it from day one, all rolled into a single primary mortgage for one down payment. Today, I'm breaking down how to beat cash buyers using the unified renovation loan process. And if the strategy completely change your perspective on modern home ownership, smash that like button right now so that the algorithms share this blueprint with more frustrated buyers. To win in this high rate market, you have to stop shopping for perfection and start shopping for potential. When you find a house with a leaky roof, pink shag carpet, or a basement like this one, a traditional mortgage underwriter will look at it, flag it as a safety hazard, and say that the house is unlendable. This is where a FHA 203K framework changes everything. Instead of forcing you to to empty your savings or max out your high interest personal credit card to fix up a property after closing, the lender creates a custodial construction escrow at the closing table. Here is the magic begins. Your maximum loan capacity is not based on what the house value is worth today. It is a broken state. It's calculated off of after repair value, ARV. The bank appraises the property based on what it would be worth once the construction is fully completed. This unlocks massive buying leverage, which allow you to put down as little as 3.5 for an FHA loan or a mere 3% if you routing through a conventional first-time buyer program. But here's is where the 90% of buyers and real estate agents completely miss the boat. They steer clear of renovation files because they believe the paperwork takes 6 months and require endless corporate red tape. They have absolutely no clue that a HUD completely eliminates the bottleneck with a massive programmable shortcut. What is that shortcut? That shortcut is a limited 203K loan. As you can see in this basement, if this property you fall in love with does not require structural foundations, stabilization, or load-bearing walls to be knocked down, you can utilize this limited framework. It completely bypasses major underwriting hurdles, eliminate complex architectural exhibit mandates, and to give you a licensed contractor up to 9 months post-closing to finish a full cosmetic remodel. We are taking full custom kitchens, luxury bath modernizations, and brand new HVAC systems, all streamlined with zero structural oversight required by the bank. However, you need to watch out for the structural lines. The second a property has severe infrastructure defects, like a bowing basement wall, an active main roof timber fracture, or a hazardous active knob and tubing wiring, the limited path shuts down completely. As you can see in this basement, you may have to elevate your game from a limited 203 to a standard 203K loan. And navigating that line safely is exactly why the bank mandates an independent consumer advocate on the ground. When a project goes standard or exceeds conventional cosmetic limits, you are legally required a certified HUD 203K consultant to engineer the transaction. As your local consultant, my job is to protect your money. I run a deep physical forensics inspection on site, draft the official itemized work write-up that contractors are legally bound to bid on, and implement a strict milestone draw schedule. This will hold the builder completely accountable and prevents developer fraud before a single dollar of your escrow is released. Don't walk into an open house blind and rely on buggy digital estimations apps that run remote numbers from thousands of miles away using an outdated metadata. An algorithm cannot smell mold or look at shifting headers. A true assess protection requires an on-site expert. I've taken my years of boots on the ground experience and built the ultimate renovation loan checklist for home buyers and realtors. It is a step-by-step walkthrough guide you can pull up on your phone to spot structural red flags and run feasibility numbers yourself before writing an offer. Here's the deal. If we can hit 500 likes on this particular video, I will permanently pin the high resolution PDF download link in the top of the comments below for absolutely free. So smash that like button, grab the guide over at myrehabconsultant.com, and I'll see you on the next walkthrough. And as you can see, this house needs a lot of renovation.